Hello guys, gals. Hello. What you got there, baby kitty?
I have a baby kitty. I have a kitty.
These are our baby kitties. We raised them.
Oh.
We raised them and put a lot of work into them.
They're after Andrew's sandwich.
Yeah, they really want Andrew's food.
Unfortunately. I don't know what the other one was.
And we're just chilling before we gotta go to work. It's a daily vlog. And we're bringing Dale back soon. We got some ideas on that. We already shot a video, but we lost the footage. But we'll make another one. Oh! Alright.
No, she just laid my finger open. I'm waiting for the
Not so bad.
It's not too bad.
Probably hurt though.
Oh, like a bitch.
Well, you saved Andrew's sandwich because
I saved the kitty cat.
The cat wasn't able to leap up there. There's a little kitty right there. How's your sandwich?
Delicious.
Blood.
That's what his sandwich cost me.
But you saved it, so good job.
My ring finger.
I'm about to have to head to work. I'm all suited up here.
What's up with my ring fingers? Okay, see, like this one's healing up, and then I just got that one today. They keep attacking my ring fingers.
Poor fingers. She's been getting cuts lately, but
That one's healing up pretty nicely.
yeah. Don't want to go to work.
Go in labor for our slave.
So everyone needs to subscribe so I can
so we can quit working.
quit our day jobs. Yes, please. And we'll make even better videos the more subscribers we get. But yeah, seriously. Become part of the Awesome Tuber Army today. And this here is the studios. This is where we film the David Awesome Show, and here on the YouTube channel. It's the studios here. And if you're looking to film and stuff, we're leasing this place out, $50 to shoot your movie here or your video. But we let Jason Funny use this place too. We leased it out to him. This is the official studio here from my YouTube channel for all the filming. And soon a Dale video will be coming out, which is a new character, but he was on an old YouTube channel of mine, so some of you might remember him. That will be coming out soon, because I got 2 days off coming up soon, so expect a lot of more videos. What are you doing?
I decided I was going to put on my makeup today, so I am painting my eyes nice and pretty.
Very pretty.
Just getting started.
Just getting started?
Yeah. When you go to Walmart, please pick up light bulbs.
Yes. So rose bush is growing pretty good. It's really pretty. Yeah. I had that on the last daily vlog, is when I picked you that flower. This is Alicia's TV, otherwise known as Crazy Ginger. She just painted it off. A lot of different colors. There's red, it's green, blue, and we got this at Walmart, mind you, for $5. That's white there. And you can do a strobe. You can do that. It's pretty cool. Only $5. It's kind of psychedelic, you know. But me personally, I like the red there. So. And we got the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles blanket there representing the ninjas. What are you doing? So you understand it? is my tapestry that I bought on Amazon. Don't get any of your sandwich on it, boy. Boy, do you want me to big boot you? But this is my nice, speaking of Dale, that's going to be his new hat, a sneak preview. Dale is returning. And that video will be coming soon, Awesome Tubers. So if you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, get on it because new videos coming soon.